Okay, so here's a Schindler 3300 MRL at 131 Margaret Street. Nice.
Dragonfly 123 discovered this one. I definitely would not have found it if he didn't.
Alright. We'll do a cab view.
Oh, it doesn't actually have the light thing.
Maximum load 635 kilos, 9 persons.
Yeah, no, it really doesn't have the lights.
No voice. What's down at -0? -1, sorry.
Cover.
Okay.
Except you will notice something at this cover.
Yeah.
Nice 3300 motor. Well, not nice really, but
Okay.
sounds alright.
I wonder what's down here. Like, I know it's car park.
You go out and press the button. Yeah, it's locked.
Yeah.
So if you exited here and that gate wasn't open, you'd be kind of screwed.
Yeah. Interestingly, this doesn't even have a voice. We'll finish it here. That's it.